Bossy, Boujie, turn the lights up. Lights up. Big hair, big goals, get your life up. Catch the vibe, let's ride, yeah, we poppin'. This the glow up, keep it locked in. We rockin'.
Hey Boujie babes, welcome back to Bad, Bossy, and Boujie, where we keep it cute, glam, and all things fabulous. So today I'm bringing a video that was kind of highly requested, but it really wasn't highly requested, but it was requested by a lot of people, on a review of a glueless wig that I ordered from TikTok shop, which came from Bing Hair. And we're going to see whether or not this wig is giving what it's supposed to give. So this wig arrived to me. It's already pre-plucked. The front lace is already pre-cut. As you can see, the little ridges in the front of it. I'm actually loving the way that it looks. It already has a little color in it, but I'm going to add more. You can see that the texture of the hair is human hair. It's soft. It's bouncy. I really like it, but it's a little different texture from the hair that I'm used to, but I actually love it. It's not shedding, and it actually smells good coming out of the pack, which is not usual for a lot of hair. And right here I'm just showing you, like, look at it, like it's transparent. You can see the ridges in it. You can see where they pre-plucked it at. And I'm at my mom's house, and she's a little darker than me, and that's all she had was a dark brown tint. But I'm gonna use it anyway, and I'm trying to be light with it. So I'm just go ahead and spray this, so y'all can see. I'm trying to get it like, but not spray too much as to where it's darker than me, but just add a little color to it. Y'all can see me spraying it. And that is the band, the adjustable band that's made for the wig, I guess, to keep it from sliding off. And that's how much I applied to it. I didn't want to overdo it because, like I said, it's a dark brown. I'm not dark brown. And I didn't want to overdo it. I didn't want to overdo it, you know. And so this is the inside of the wig. I just wanted to give y'all a little insight of the inside after I sprayed it. It has a little clip in the back, and the sides are pretty much the band, I guess, to keep it adjustable, to attach to your head. There's little clips. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on so y'all can see what it's gonna look like once I apply the wig. This is my first glueless wig, but I'm actually glad that I ordered it because, like, I'm not even gonna lie, trying to glue it down and everything is a lot. It is a lot. Okay, there I realized I had to pull my cap down because I saw forehead and hairline. You're not supposed to see forehead and hairline, so I pulled it down. Boom, look, scalp. It's giving scalp. And see, like I said, I'm not home. I'm at my mom's house, so I don't have my melting spray or anything. But y'all, I'm loving this. Like, I'm loving this, y'all. I did not know glueless wigs was this easy. Like, it made my life so much easier. Like I said, there's nothing on this wig. It's giving. Like, it's really, really giving. And it's so soft. And I love it. I love it. Like, I'm definitely going to order more hair from y'all. And it's 16 inches. And the reason I gave it so short is because I have a 1-year-old who loves to pull hair, earrings, and anything else that he can put his paws on. And this is the end result, y'all. Those lashes, bad, Bossy, and Boujie. Okay, earrings, bad, Bossy, and Boujie, baby. Lip gloss, bad, Bossy, and Boujie. Of course, they're my products, so I'm going to have to promote. Those lashes are actually called Boujie. You see the lashes are giving. And they are giving, yes. Yes, honey, yes. And yes, they are strip lashes for anybody. And I was just looking like, if I styled this, like, look at this. That is beautiful. Y'all, that mean I could just slap this wig on and just pull it off and slap it back on and move when I want to. Like, yes, Bing, I'm going to purchase again. That is all for this video, y'all. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video. Some of the links that I'm talking about, also don't forget about Maven Hair, y'all. I got content coming from them because their hair is bomb, like bomb. I also have some content coming about some budget friendly some budget friendly synthetic wigs as well. So I have a lot of content coming for y'all, and I just really need y'all to stay tuned in, stay with me, keep supporting me. I love y'all so much. Thank you, Boujie babes. Y'all, let's get this wave running. Let's get it.